Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today we have a little break from eyeshadow palettes. It's more Boxycharm. And I know these aren't my most popular videos, but there's a loyal crew of you who like them and I have fun doing them. So here we are. And this one is a premium box. Even though I should know, they tell me what I'm getting, it's always a surprise. I kind of like it better that way. And right up on top is Vow Brow from, I'm not even going to try, there's an Oxanti goo and it's an OE, which in German would be an umlaut replacement. I've got no clue what that brand is. And I'm finding that is the case with a lot of this Boxycharm stuff. Yes, okay, good. Brow pencil. I can always use a brow pencil. Let's see what, oh, that's the spoolie end. Nice that it's got a spoolie. And little, very micro. I do like that. And the color, yeah, that looks like a good color for me. So, all right, I am pleased about that. Next. Oh, Patrick Starr. Okay, I need another palette. Oh my gosh, there'll be another video. I do not own anything from Patrick Starr. If I'm being totally honest, I'm not even sure who Patrick Starr is. I'll have to look that up. How about you? Do you own any Patrick Starr? Do you know who Patrick Starr is? Can you help me out? This is a one-size-fits-all 15 pan eyeshadow palette with 9 super pigmented mattes, 6 eye-catching shimmers that are opaque, creamy, and blendable. Sounds delicious. Patrick Starr created this visionary palette of all everyday eyeshadow essentials with neutrals, warm tones, pops of color, and the deepest black. Okay? Super. If I can get it out. Oh, that's pretty, Pat. I like the gold, the pink. It's a little late in the day. The pink shimmer on this, that's very pretty. Why does it? Okay. Oh, that is right out. Take a look at the bottom of the palette. Do you see here? Sorry, wrong side. You see here, and then if I turn it around, it is not squared off. Oh, hell no. Yeah. Okay, so I'm torn because, yeah, it's a nice looking palette. Nice looking colors. I don't even want to swatch it because that is, yeah, look, see, it's a, oh, sorry. Let me show you the bottom, not the top. You can see it angles up. And that just is not how I operate. So maybe I added up all the stuff I have in my giveaway. It's over $1,600. I think I'm going to split it into 2 giveaways, but maybe that will join it. All right, moving on. Ooh, this appears to be maybe a device. Dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipes from Base Blue. Night and Day. The wonder begins. Yeah, I don't use wipes. I mean, I use them down here when I'm cleaning my fingers after I have swatched eyeshadow palettes. Gonna have to think about whether, yeah, I send it to my daughter because she uses them. I don't know. Okay. Ooh, Perricone MD, Vitamin C, Ester, Citrus Citrus Brightening Cleanser. I gotta hide my eyes and then my camera will refocus. There we go. Yeah, I'm always looking for a new cleanser. I have gotten a bunch of cleansers lately. There was one from Pharmacy and I can't remember the other one. And I didn't really like them. I ordered my old standby doTERRA off of eBay. So, but yeah, I'm always down for trying a new cleanser. From Tarte, this is Man Eater Lip Gloss, Plumping Gloss. That looks like a lovely neutral shade. What shade is it? Buff, yes. If Buff isn't a neutral shade, I don't know what they would name one. And last but not least here is 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. I've got another essence. Okay, what is good about this essence? It's got kelp extract, aloe vera leaf. What do they say? They say it's got anything fabulous? No, it just says it's a unique fusion that will help eliminate signs of aging. Right. Well, let's just take a quick look-see, because this was okay. I would have been more excited about that Patrick Starr palette. Honestly, why couldn't they just make it rectangular? That would have served us all better. All right, so that Patrick Starr palette retails for $42. Holy, get the freak out! This antioxidant, $100. What? Okay, would any of you spend $100 on an essence? Like, I could maybe see it for more like a serum or something with some serious ingredients in it. But yeah, okay. I wouldn't. I don't. Anywho, the Perricone cleanser, $35. That eye pencil, $26. Sort of spendy for an eyebrow pencil. The Tarte is $19, and the wipes are $21. So I will use the essence. Not worth $100. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't bad, and worst case is someone out there is going to get a great giveaway basket. So, well, surprise, part 2. Today, the day after I shot yesterday's, the basic box showed up. So let's just take a few minutes and see what's in this. All right, first is something from Treslus. I don't know. As I've said before, never heard of it. Seems to be a lot of that on Boxycharm. This is a brush set. And I always love good eye brushes. Let's see what comes in this one. All right, so it looks like a crease brush, a little shader brush, and a big angled brush, and sort of a flat brush. What does it say? The box says deluxe blending brush, classic blending brush, angled blending brush, rounded pencil brush. So 3 blending brushes, okay, and a shader one. Well, I don't know. Maybe those will go in the giveaway pile. Also from that brand is a eyeshadow palette. Okay. It's kind of like, look how thick that is. I'm not used to eyeshadow palettes being in boxes that thick, and it's awfully light feeling. Okay, so that's a whole lot of folded up tissue paper on top there. Oh, lashes. I was not expecting lashes. That explains the depth. Ooh, pretty packaging. that's what the outside looks like. And I Am Semper Divina is what it's called. Oh, well, those are pretty colors. I like that. Okay. I might have to keep that and try that. Moving on, Plump Your Base, Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Again, not a brand I am familiar with. They chose to make it look like a little boom box. On one side it says jazz, on the other side it says hip hop. And, it is multi-purpose makeup sticks. The darker one is called Jazz. Ooh, that is a pretty color. That looks like it would definitely be eyeshadow. And this is the hip hop shade. That's very creamy. Yeah, okay. Interesting. I like the jazz color. The other one doesn't do much for me. And Glow Recipe. Okay, finally a brand I recognize. Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. All right, excellent. So I'll add that to my skincare collection. And I do use niacinamide. And last but not least, Tulip Wipes. Okay. I'm familiar with Julep Beauty. It's a good brand. These say that they are biodegradable. I know sometimes when things are labeled biodegradable, maybe not so much, but I will leave them here in my studio and use them for cleaning up my hands when I do stuff like this. So let's do the quick rundown. Hey, before we do the rundown here, show me some YouTube love. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done so. All right. So Spellbound, so it was the same theme as the premium box. That Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops, $34. The Trace Loose Beauty, the lashes and the eyeshadow, $25. The brushes, $27. Pinky Rose Cosmetics, the two pencils there, $20. And the Julep Wipes, $20. So, yeah, I certainly got my money's worth. Would I have purchased any of this? Nope. So, okay, there you have it. Thank you so much for being here today. I've enjoyed it. I hope you have too. Have a fantastic day.